Wuhan Frontier Industrial Company Limited was founded in 2012. It is committed to providing one-stop tactical outdoor clothing, OEM and ODM customized solutions for customers around the world. Our products are exported to more than 100 countries around the world and have won extensive favor from many customers. In the development process, the company has focused on the research, production, and sales of diversified products such as military uniforms, tactical clothing, outdoor clothing, and hunting clothing, and established a unique and complete innovation-driven development system. The company is strong and has 5 major product bases. The annual output exceeds 5 million sets. In 2024, a new 25,000 square meter intelligent industrial park has been put into production, and it is equipped with world-class automated production lines. The enterprise has passed a number of international quality system certifications such as ISO 9001, SGS, BV, and TUV. The professional and efficient management and production technology team strictly follows international quality standards and accurately controls every production link. We always take customer needs as the guide, meet customers' diversified needs, support sampling, have rich product varieties, and complete colors to ensure that customers obtain the most satisfactory products and services in the shortest time. Looking forward to the future, the company will stick to its original intention, continuously innovate and develop, and look forward to working with global partners to create brilliance together with sincerity.